So before I start the video off, I wanted to give a huge shout out to Sofangs for sending me over 2 pairs of shoes. So they sent over the shoe they call the Flower SFL, and I've been wearing these a lot lately because they're super comfortable. They come with these thick outsoles for people that like comfort, and these really thin outsoles if you really don't care about the comfort. But that shouldn't even matter because they're really comfortable already. They have like a boost-like material built inside. Plus the shoes are already like really top-notch quality, and they're really thin, so they're really thin but really good quality. I don't know if you could really tell, but they use really good materials, even on the sock liners. And the white ones came with extra laces. I lost them, but they have another pair of laces. They're like really thin ones. So the first thing I'll be doing to these shoes is cleaning them up using dish soap, water, and this brush. So now using an X-Acto knife, I'll be cutting off the old Jordan tab and replace it with a Nike tab later on. So as you can see, the old material is breaking and just coming apart. So now I'll just be peeling off as much as I can using my finger and this knife. Since all the material didn't peel off, I'll be using acetone and cotton balls to try to burn off the rest of the material. Okay, so after hours of trying to remove the old material, it got really hard and took a long time. So instead of using acetone and cotton balls, I'm gonna use the Dremel to just shave off all the old material. But when I'm doing it, I'm gonna avoid getting the stitching like this, like get close as possible. And then once I'm done with the whole shoe, I'm gonna go again with acetone just around the stitching area, and then yeah. So next I'll be using this Dad's Easy Spray to remove all the old midsole repaint, or all the old midsole paint. So now I'll be using flat white and black for the midsole. So for this part I'll be using GAC 900 and leather paint. Together they'll make like a fabric paint to paint the uppers pretty much. Using some Salon Care 40 and Saran wrap or plastic wrap to unyellow the gray parts of the sole. So these are the shoes before I did anything to them. As you can see, they're really bad condition. And the after. They didn't come out as good as I was hoping they would. They're kind of rough, but they definitely still look better than the old before. I ended up adding a matte finish around the whole thing. And yeah, that's the end of the video.